This is a public service announcement for anybody who manages teams in TeamSnap. We are a basketball club. They told us to move to TeamSnap One as they would be discontinuing the older versions of TeamSnap. Coaches, I can tell you, you would be much better off finding a different platform than upgrading to TeamSnap One. Tell them you want to stay on your current platform. Do not move over to TeamSnap One. It has been a disaster for our basketball club. We have approximately 250 to 150 athletes, 15 to 20 teams, and from an administration standpoint, it's an absolute nightmare to try to figure out and manage. Half of the things work in the app, half of the things work on desktop. You can't send out individual emails like to players on desktop. There's no invoicing capabilities. The rostering system doesn't work like the old one. It doesn't auto roster players when they register. I've been filing trouble tickets at about two a day uh, when I was trying to set up this new season, and about one trouble ticket now, and I could be filing three or four trouble tickets every day. Our coaches in our club are upset with the new system. They can't manage their teams like they used to manage them uh, because you have to send everything through your phone, and some coaches want to do things on desktop, and that's not available. If you're an admin like myself in the system, you uh, can only do certain admin things in a desktop, and then there's zero admin capabilities in the app. They tell you just log in through your web browser on your phone, and then you can do it. It is one of the worst software programs I've ever seen rolled out. It's one of the most frustrating experiences I've had, especially since we do this as a volunteer organization. I figure I have spent about 60 hours trying to manage this season, and it would normally take me about 10 hours to manage a season. So, again, Team Snap 1, we call it Team Snap Zero for zero benefits and zero upgrades. Don't get sold on whatever they're telling you to upgrade. Uh, Use your old Team Snap or go find something different.